It's been a kind of a drizzly day. I just came out to put the chickens in the coop for the night, and I just want to enjoy this foggy dampness. Probably won't be many leaves on the trees in a week. Our first frost is supposed to happen tomorrow night, but it's very beautiful right now. Just showing you all around. Got to get the harvest in. Everything that's still out I need to bring in tomorrow. I think we can do it. And it'll be kind of nice to have a little break in gardening once we get the freeze. But I'll just enjoy this little bit of time here with the beauty of nature in the fog.